Finally, the top butterfly knife trainer is the Kershaw Lucha. This is the top-of-the-line option for improving their butterfly knife skills. Made in the USA, this trainer knife is designed with safety in mind, featuring an unsharpened edge and rounded tip to minimize any potential injuries. The 14C28N stainless steel blade is also blunt, making it even safer, yet also giving it a more realistic weight and balance. Even better, the increased nitrogen in the steel formula provides excellent corrosion resistance, so it will last longer with less maintenance. The Lucha is perfect for those who want to improve their butterfly knife skills without worrying about cutting themselves or damaging the blade. The handle of the Lucha is also designed for optimal flipping performance. Rounded handle bevels allow the knife to roll smoothly in hand, while dual KVT ball-bearing pivots provide ultra-smooth flipping. Overall, the Lucha is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their balisong knife techniques. It's well-designed, safe to use, and made with high-quality materials. The dual KVT ball-bearing pivots and rounded handle angles make it easy to flip even for beginners. And with the added benefit of being made in the USA, you can feel good about supporting local craftsmanship. The company also promises excellent customer service and offers free replacement or refund options in case of any quality issues. Its pros are: it has a stainless steel blade that is well balanced and corrosion resistant. It has dual KVT ball bearing pivots that provide ultra smooth flipping. It has great customer service to help you. And it has rounded handle bevels and latches that roll well in the hand and never catches on anything. However, the extra weight makes it more challenging to use for beginners. The Kershaw Lucha Trainer is a brilliant tool constructed from high-quality materials that provides a way to safely master all your butterfly knife skills. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.